Dear learners, let's try to understand the meaning, significance, and scope of exceptionality. Let us first try to understand the concept of exceptionality. Exceptionality refers to uniqueness or the state of being different in comparison to the normal. The uniqueness of the exceptional child may be noticed in one or more of the following dimensions: vision, hearing, movement, motor, physical, communication, social, emotional, and intelligence, cognitive. Exceptionality is defined as any condition or situation that may significantly interfere with a child's ability to learn. In the context of education, exceptionality encompasses a wide range of diverse learning needs and abilities among students. Understanding the meaning, significance, and scope of exceptionality is crucial for educators, policymakers, and stakeholders in creating inclusive learning environments and providing appropriate support for all learners. Meaning of exceptionality. Exceptionality refers to variations in individual characteristics that deviate from the typical or expected range. These variations may include intellectual exceptionality. This includes students with exceptional intellectual abilities, commonly referred to as gifted or mental retarded students. Learning exceptionality. Learning exceptionalities encompass students who experience difficulties in acquiring and processing information, leading to challenges in academic performance. Examples include students with specific learning disabilities, example dyslexia, dyscalculia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, or autism spectrum disorder, ASD. 3. Physical exceptionality. Physical exceptionality pertains to students with physical disabilities, health impairments, or chronic conditions that affect mobility, sensory functioning, or physical access to learning environments. Examples include students with visual or hearing impairments, mobility limitations, or chronic health conditions. 4. Emotional and behavioral exceptionality. Emotional and behavioral exceptionality refers to students who exhibit significant challenges in regulating emotions, managing behavior, or forming social relationships. This may include students with emotional disturbances, conduct disorders, or mental health conditions such as anxiety or depression. Significance of exceptionality. 1. Equity and inclusion. Understanding exceptionality is crucial for promoting equity and inclusion in education. Each individual has unique strengths, challenges, and learning styles. Recognizing and accommodating diverse learning needs ensures that all students have access to meaningful educational opportunities and support services. So, educators must foster an inclusive environment that celebrates diversity. 2. Personalized learning. Exceptionality underscores the importance of personalized learning approaches. Students with diverse learning needs require individualized instruction, support, and accommodations to reach their full potential. By recognizing and addressing students' unique strengths, interests, and challenges, educators can tailor their teaching strategies to meet individual learning goals effectively. 3. Early identification and intervention. Identifying exceptionality early is essential for providing timely intervention and support. Early detection allows educators, parents, and specialists to address learning difficulties, developmental delays, or behavioral challenges promptly. Early intervention can prevent academic struggles, mitigate social and emotional issues, and enhance long-term outcomes for individuals with exceptionalities. 4. Inclusive education practices. Exceptionality underscores the importance of adopting inclusive education practices. Inclusive education aims to provide all students, regardless of their abilities or backgrounds, with equitable access to quality education. Inclusive classrooms embrace diversity, promote collaboration, and value every student's unique contributions. 5. Teacher professional development. Understanding exceptionality is fundamental for teacher professional development. Educators need training, resources, and ongoing support to effectively address the diverse needs of their students. Professional development opportunities in areas such as special education, differentiated instruction, and behavior management equip educators with the knowledge, skills, and strategies to support students with exceptionalities effectively. 6. Societal awareness and advocacy. Exceptionality raises awareness about the diverse abilities and needs of individuals within society. By challenging stereotypes, misconceptions, and stigma surrounding disabilities and exceptionalities, society can promote acceptance, respect, and inclusion for all individuals. Advocacy efforts aimed at raising awareness, promoting accessibility, and advancing the rights of individuals with exceptionalities contribute to creating a more equitable and inclusive society. Scope of exceptionality. 1. Intellectual exceptionality. Intellectual exceptionality refers to variations in cognitive abilities, intelligence, and academic achievement among individuals. This includes giftedness, where individuals demonstrate exceptional intellectual abilities, talents, or creativity beyond typical developmental milestones. Conversely, intellectual exceptionality also encompasses individuals with intellectual disabilities, characterized by limitations in intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior. 2. Learning exceptionality. Learning exceptionality pertains to variations in learning styles, preferences, and challenges that impact academic performance. This includes specific learning disabilities, example dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysgraphia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, ASD, and other neurodevelopmental conditions. Learning exceptionalities may affect language development, reading comprehension, mathematical reasoning, memory retention, executive functioning, or social emotional skills. 3. Physical exceptionality. Physical exceptionality encompasses variations in physical abilities, health conditions, and mobility limitations among individuals. This includes individuals with physical disabilities, orthopedic impairments, chronic health conditions, or sensory impairments, example visual or hearing impairments. Physical exceptionalities may affect mobility, sensory functioning, fine and gross motor skills, or physical access to learning environments. 4. Emotional and behavioral exceptionality. Emotional and behavioral exceptionality refers to variations in emotional regulation, social skills, and behavioral tendencies among individuals. This includes individuals with emotional disturbances, behavioral disorders, mental health conditions, or social emotional difficulties. Emotional and behavioral exceptionalities may manifest as anxiety, depression, mood disorders, conduct problems, or social communication challenges. 5. Cultural and linguistic exceptionality. Cultural and linguistic exceptionality pertains to variations in cultural backgrounds, language proficiency, and multicultural identities among individuals. This includes English language learners, ELs, bilingual students, immigrant or refugee populations, and individuals from diverse cultural or linguistic backgrounds. Cultural and linguistic exceptionalities may influence language acquisition, academic achievement, social integration, and identity development. 6. Intersectionality of exceptionality. The scope of exceptionality acknowledges the intersectionality of diverse identities, experiences, and backgrounds among individuals. Exceptionalities may intersect with factors such as race, ethnicity, gender, socioeconomic status, sexual orientation, or religious beliefs, shaping individuals' lived experiences and educational needs. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.